Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, March 11th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, we also say the center. Correct. And number 2 is to sleep well, means to get lots of rest. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The middle is red. The middle is red. Middle. The middle of the target is red, the part equidistant from the edge. Now we can make a flashcard for middle. These 2 words have the same meaning. Center, middle. Please make a card like this. Please write middle up here in the top left corner. M-I-D-D-L-E. We usually use it like this. The middle of something. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 100 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Middle. Middle. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer sleeps well every night. Jennifer sleeps well every night. She sleeps well. She gets a good sleep and she gets rest. Now we can make a flashcard for sleep well. Please write the basic form on top here. To sleep well. Down here in this corner, DA1. This means daily activity, level 1. And over here the number 21 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lee, sleep, well. Remember W, we use the lips. Wa. Well, sleep well. Game over. You did really well today. Number 1, I am touching the middle of the book. Very nice. And every night Jennifer sleeps well. Very good, because she doesn't drink too much coffee. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, environment with an R. Yes, this is the area around you, the trees and the rivers. Number 2 is a person, a job. Bob is a secretary. Very nice. He works in an office and types. And number 3 is to Joke. Yes, we learned the verb to joke about something. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can join our program anytime.